Today you will find an amazing spectacle where the workers do their work so perfectly that it creates an incredibly peaceful atmosphere of ASMR and creates incredible sensations. You will see amazing moments when employees demonstrate their skills, as well as show skillful moves and life hacks that make the process even more amazing, spectacular and exciting. Let's get started.
Let's go.
Even if you do something incomprehensible to everyone, then do it beautifully like this blue thing. Sometimes a pair of hands is not enough for pottery and you have to call for help from colleagues. Only a culinary genius can make a bouquet of roses from tomatoes and a bunch of parsley. At first glance, this guy does not look like a clever fast food worker, but his talent is to do everything quickly. In the hands of a real professional, the impossible becomes possible. Do you think it's hard to draw a bull with a broom and a mop? Who knows what this fruit is called? Write in the comments. Based on the favorite Japanese movie about Godzilla, this master decided to make his image out of rice grain. Since ancient times, the peoples of China have painted a predatory dragon on their drums, which protected them in campaigns. A good owner should take care of his sidewalk, even wash it if necessary. I bet this gardener distinguishes a square from a rectangle. After gluing, the wooden veneer is cut off manually. When loading the harvest, you need to be able to accurately serve a basket of vegetables. Why put a brick wall if it can be simulated? After a few hours of hard work, the incomprehensible mud mixture turns into beautiful patterns. This is the biggest braided braid of cheese that I have seen. In order for the ceramic tile to stick well, you need to apply the solution in an even layer. When you make a show of cooking pizza, you need to make sure that it definitely does not fly out of your hands in the process. The grown bamboo is cut down by tens of thousands of pieces and then taken to production. Masonry of facing bricks requires increased skills and attention. It seems that this guy is just juggling watermelons. The main thing is not to miss. In a few years, liana bushes are able to absorb an entire house, and you have to get rid of them. Washing the carpet is not a problem with such a powerful washing machine. A special irrigation system using a grid is sometimes used by private farmers. Aloe vera has been mainly grown for the production of commercial products, mainly as a topical treatment for centuries. To make money quickly and make capital, you need to do something else, not grow aloe. It is also possible to harvest wheat with the help of this small tractor, which will immediately bind them in an armful. Thank you for watching to the end. I always strive to improve the quality and offer you something new and interesting, so I am sure that you will like the next video even more. Thank you for your support. Subscribe, put a like and a notification so that you don't miss anything.